Top 5 Best Mini Table Saw. Number 5. Milwaukee 2736-20M18 Fuel Table Saw. Milwaukee's 2736-20M18 Fuel Table Saw brings the power of a 15-amp corded saw to a portable, battery-powered unit. With a 24.5-inch rip capacity and up to 600 linear feet of cutting per charge, it's designed for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors. What sets this saw apart is the One Key technology, enabling tool connectivity via smartphones or tablets. You can track performance and location, even when the battery is empty. With integrated tool tracking, you can monitor how and where your tools are being used within a 100-foot range of your device. The power-state brushless motor is Milwaukee's standout feature here, giving you the performance of a corded saw without the need for outlets. Its rip capacity, coupled with smart technology, makes it ideal for job sites where precision and productivity are paramount. The M18 Fuel's ability to track tools remotely and lock them for security is an added bonus, giving professionals peace of mind when managing expensive equipment on site. If you're looking for high performance and portability with modern tech integration, this Milwaukee saw is a top contender. Coming in number 4, Worx WX572L BladeRunner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw. This Worx BladeRunner is a solid portable table saw for small to medium woodworking projects. Its steel rip fence and riving knife system ensure straight, long, and wide cuts with accuracy. At under 15 pounds, it's easy to move around the shop or job site, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts or hobbyists who need flexibility. One standout feature is the adjustable miter gauge, allowing for cuts from 0 to 60 degrees from both sides. It's perfect for crafting miter cuts at various angles. The safety switch and key add an extra layer of security, ensuring the saw doesn't start accidentally. I found the onboard storage for accessories like the rip fence, miter gauge, and extra blades particularly helpful for keeping things organized. With the 5 included blades, you can tackle wood, metal, ceramic tile, aluminum, and plastic with ease. If you're after a portable, user-friendly table saw that's easy to set up, the Worx BladeRunner is an excellent choice, especially if your cutting needs aren't too heavy-duty. Coming in number 3, Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. Rockwell's BladeRunner X2 solves the problem of lugging materials to a stationary saw and then transporting them back. Weighing in at only 15 pounds, it's incredibly portable yet stable. Despite its small footprint of 15.75 by 17 inches, this table saw cuts like a full-sized unit, handling rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts effortlessly. The tool-less blade change system is particularly handy, allowing for quick blade swaps, making it versatile across a range of materials like wood, ceramic tile, aluminum, and steel. I loved how easy it was to switch from one material to another, thanks to the 5 included blades. The hold-down guard and splitter also make it safer and more accurate for wider materials. For anyone needing a portable saw that can handle light to moderate cutting tasks, this BladeRunner X2 is a perfect solution. While it may not handle materials thicker than 1.5 inch, it's excellent for lightweight projects. Coming in number 2, Skil TS630700 Portable Jobsite Table Saw. Skil's TS630700 is packed with features to make your woodworking projects smoother and more accurate. It includes rack and pinion fence rails to keep the fence parallel to the blade for fast and precise cuts. Its integrated folding stand offers both portability and easy storage, while the dust port elbow helps manage sawdust by redirecting it to a container. With a 15-amp motor, this saw makes cutting hardwoods a breeze. The rack and pinion rails ensure fast and smooth fence adjustments, giving you the confidence that your cuts are aligned perfectly. One of the more innovative features is the foldable legs. They fold into the body of the saw, transforming it into a highly portable unit. Coupled with the parallel blade alignment, you get precision cuts with minimal fuss. The saw also offers 0 to 45 degrees bevel cutting capacity, with stops at 0 and 45 degrees for swift adjustments. And with its 4x4 cutting ability, you can handle larger materials without needing extra support. Coming in number 1, Dewalt DWE7485 Table Saw for Jobsites. This Dewalt DWE7485 table saw is designed for precision and convenience. Featuring an 8 1/4 inch blade, it includes onboard storage for all essentials like blade guards, anti-kickback pawls, miter gauge, and more. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor running at 5800 RPM, this saw handles most job site applications. Its standout feature is the rack and pinion fence system, allowing for smooth, fast, and accurate adjustments. You'll also appreciate its capacity to rip full 4x8 sheet goods, making it perfect for space-constrained workshops or job sites. The compact footprint was a game-changer for me. With our shed bursting at the seams, this saw was an ideal solution. My wife, a contractor herself, wasn't keen on adding more bulky tools, so this smaller version felt like the perfect compromise. One of my favorite features is the fence. Despite being a smaller saw, the fence quality is identical to their larger 10-inch models, and the setup is incredibly easy. The index pins make sure the fence stays parallel to the blade for accurate cuts, while the adjustment dial and measurement guide enhance ease of use. The compact design allows it to be packed up in under 2 minutes, which saves storage space. Despite its size, it still handles most plywood and sheet goods without an issue. However, heavier materials, like melamine, may require extra effort. I'd also suggest always using a vacuum to manage the dust, as the rear port doesn't expel sawdust well without assistance. Blade changes and riving knife adjustments are easy, too, making this saw versatile and user-friendly. It's a fantastic choice for those who don't need a powerhouse but require something reliable and portable. For thicker hardwoods or dado cuts, though, you might want to consider Dewalt's 10-inch version.